In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your card PIN on the Capitec app. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open the Capitec app on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account using your credentials. So to set up a new PIN to the app, sign in into the app and tap the menu in the top right corner and tap Settings. And after that, go ahead and choose Update Remote PIN and enter your current PIN. Enter a new remote PIN of up to 6 digits and confirm it. Keep your bank card PIN safe. Don't set a PIN that anyone can guess, such as your birthday. Use the same PIN you used to unlock your phone. Set a different PIN for your banking app or your banking card. Don't repeat numbers such as 2244. Don't use a pattern on the keypad to select a PIN, and never use your banking PIN as your password for other accounts. And that is how you can basically change your card PIN on the Capitec app. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.